Here we have a 69 plate BMW 530D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We then have the carbon black metallic paintwork, has a really nice sparkle to it in the sunlight. We do also have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, the M Performance kit as well on this vehicle, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We also have the side skirts running along the bottom. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll also find we have the M Sport suspension. We have the colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you then find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. We do have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside and an audible warning. Dual exit exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. If you press this button just here on the remote, it will pop open the boot just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. It does go quite far back. Very spacious inside of here. We've got the storage net on the left hand side, along with an extra pocket there on the right. Handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And coming back round to the driver's side, you then find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look then at the interior now. So inside of the back first, you'll find we have the full black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We have the vents down there in the centre for the rear passengers. On the doors you've got the brush metal handles, ambient lighting and also electric windows. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both front seats being electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. They're also both heated as well. Harman Kardon sound system. We then have the electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors as well. Automatic lights just down here. We then have the automatic wipers. Multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. We do have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre as well. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. We got the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, along with the paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. All the buttons are down here. Click onto media. You've got the radio stations along with the other options here on the left hand side which you can scroll through. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down you've got the vents. We also have the climate control, the articulate air conditioning, heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do as you can see. Automatic gearbox just here with the different drive modes. You press onto Eco Pro, Comfort and also the Sport drive mode as well. Also changes the look of the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you then find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, you then have some storage space underneath here, cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, electric handbrake and auto hold button, and finally we have the leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. And as you can see, I'm not to fight with the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode you can simply tap all the paddles to change gear. We have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons there on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us which can show at different displays. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle which are really comfortable. Can easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. We also have the ambient lighting which runs all throughout. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. It looks really nice, especially at night time. We then have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Got the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, the articled air conditioning, which is perfect for the hot summer days. Now we do also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth at going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. We are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on. Just slowing down. We're going to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.